Hi, my name is Nur Hafiz bin Nohil.
And my name is El Natira Lalon, anak Mubarawi.
Hi everyone, my name is Jaslyn Mori binti Ahmad. My name is Nur Dayana binti Lamri. My name is Nulayuni binti Lajmi.
Of cable, which is straight cable and also crossover cable. Straight cable definition is used to connect computer and other end user devices such as printers.
Crossover cable, the function is they connect to like devices without the use of an uplink port.
Tools that we use today is straight cable, cutter, creeper, RJ45 and network cable tester.
For the first step, strip the cable jacket about 1.5 inch down from the end using a cutter. Step 2. Spread the 4 pairs of twisted wire apart. Step 3. Untwist the wire pairs and neatly align them accordingly. And be sure not to untwist them any further down the cable than where the jacket begins. We want to leave as much of the cable twisted as possible. For the next step, cut the wires as straight as possible, about 0.5 inch above the end of the jacket. Step 5. Carefully insert the wire all the way into the modular connector and make sure that each wire passes through the appropriate guides inside the connector. Step 6. Push the connector inside the crimper tool and squeeze the crimper all the way down. Step 7. Repeat step 1 until 6 for the other end of the cable. For the last step, to make sure you have successfully terminated each end of the cable, use a network cable tester to test each pin.
So that's all from us. Thank you.